Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will learn how to set up a new HSN code manually and also import HSN codes through an Excel sheet. To begin, navigate to the main menu and open the Setup module. Under the Setup Items menu, click to open the Setup Harmonious Codes window, where you can view existing HSN codes. To create a new code, simply enter the HSN serial number and HSN code. The software will automatically fetch the description. Once done, save the record. Additionally, you can import HSN codes from an external Excel file by clicking on Retrieve from Excel. A help option is available, which explains the required columns for import. Fields marked with an asterisk symbol are mandatory and must be included in the Excel sheet. Now browse and select the file from your device, then click Refresh. The software will retrieve the HSN details from the sheet. And finally, press Alt+S or click the Save button to apply the changes. Here, you can also configure HSN code groups. To do this, click the Configuration button located at the bottom of the window. Select the desired group level from the list and save it. Then, click on Create Item Groups for HSN codes based on the defined group level. Once completed, the system will automatically create item groups for the respective HSN codes. You can review these groups under the Setup Item Groups window. For example, we define the group at Group 20, and as you can see, all HSN codes are displayed under that group. Simply rename the group to HSN for better clarity. Additionally, we have an option to import HSN codes. By default, the system database already contains the chapters, and you can easily import them using the import feature. Simply enter the HSN code and define the type. Here, you will see a Start with checkbox. If you do not select this option and refresh, the system will retrieve all HSN codes that include the digits you have entered anywhere in their structure, which is why you will see multiple chapters appearing. However, if you enable the Start with checkbox, only those HSN codes that begin with the defined digits will be retrieved. After refreshing, you will clearly understand the difference. Once the required HSN codes are visible, you can import them effortlessly by clicking Update Description first and then Import. After closing the window, click on Refresh and you will notice that all filtered chapters have been successfully added. Finally, click Save.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.